Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. My name is Charles Butler. I'm the CEO and founder for Crossroads Opportunity, nonprofit organization here located in Pomona, California. Today it's just going to be a short video. I'm just going to do a quick review on the Maxxair Vent Fan, which is amazing. And so I'm going to do a quick review on that. But before I get started, let me tell you what happened with the other one, the old one I had. So when I purchased this cargo trailer in Las Vegas in last year in August of 2020, it's a 7x14 cargo trailer. It had nothing in it. It was all gutted. It had carpet on the floor, and that was basically it. So I stripped it and put flooring in here and window, and so. But the vent that came with it, it had really no purpose except ventilation, and that was it. It didn't bring in cold air, didn't suck out the hot air, so really just ventilation, that was it. And I went on boondocking a couple times, and let me tell you something, out here in California, and when it gets hot, and you just don't want to be in this trailer when it gets hot, so it kind of sucks on that. So I spent a little bit of money, and I went on Amazon, spent about $160 on a Maxxair fan. Did a little bit of research. There are other ones out there like the Fantastic Air Fan, which works wonders as well. But this one here came highly recommended. So it's a Maxxair. It's a 10-speed and it's really simple install if you had the hole already. So mine came with the hole already. If you didn't have the hole, it's still a simple, easy process of cutting it out on the top there of your roof on the trailer. It's a standard RV hole size, so it's a 14x14. So, but anyways, so I'll show you this here in a second. So this fan that we installed, actually, let me show you the old one here. What happened to it when we took it down? It's just all plastic and just brittle because it was out in Vegas with all the heat. It just fell apart. I mean, so. So yeah, anyway, so that's gone. And so this fan that I got, I put it closest by the door up here. And because it's already had the hole already. I might want to do another one because this thing is so awesome, but I don't know yet. But it's a 10-speed. Some come with remote. I didn't get mine with a remote. I don't care. I don't want the remote. I mean, it's just kind of lazy part, just hitting the button on your thing. But I just went up here and just hit it on, and has 10 speeds. The cool thing about this fan, though, what I like about this Maxxair fan is that it's also reversible. So it can actually suck the hot air out, and then when I want to turn it the other way, when I want the cold air to come in, then I just hit the switch and all the cold air comes in, or the air comes in. So it's really cool. I like that feature just because I went out on boondocking, was it last weekend? And let me tell you something, it made a difference. 3 months ago, I went to Joshua Tree, and it was really hot out there. And my old fan, or the old vent I had up here, it just didn't do anything. It was just the air come in, and it cooked up the trailer, pretty much. My dog and I were kind of like, what the hell? So once I installed the fan, the Maxxair, we went out to Joshua Tree last weekend, and let me tell you something, it made a difference. Oh my God. Probably, at least 5 to 10 degrees cooler in here, especially when it's a little bit of windy outside. I had my other window open here and let that air circulate, because that's what you want. You want that circulation of airflow going in your trailer. So anyways, and it's super quiet. When I was in here and I was working, I just didn't, I didn't really hear it. And I'm living in this trailer now full time. So I'm full-time cargo trailer living. So just to kind of, save money for the next maybe 1 year or 2 years. I want to do a little bit of traveling and so forth. So most of my work is online anyways. So anyway, so here we go. So again, it's a Maxxair fan. I'll provide the link in the description below. It's 10 speeds. It's reversible. So it sucks in air and also exhausts air out. So intake and exhaust. It also came with a cover, so I bought the cover with it as well. It's like an additional 40 bucks, whatever, for the outside. And but other than that, it looks great. So let's turn it on. Let's see if you guys can hear it or not. All right, so let's do this here. And like I said, there's like a lot of it's a 10 speed. So let me see if you guys can see this here. Okay. So with that, right here is where all the controls are. You got your plus, you got your minus, and then you got the rotation of the air, and it's on right now. You can also set up on auto, which I don't, but you can just, let's see here, I'll turn it up. I mean, right now, I think it was like 5 or 6. You can hear it, but it's not as annoying, you know. And it really is bringing. You can see the curtain here. I mean, it's shaking pretty good. So, and by the way, this is my shower. So this is my my home. So it's a did complete this here. All new walls, ceiling. I got LED lights in here. Anyway, so back to the fan. So yeah. It has this right here. It just turns for the hood, closes it and open it. The cool thing about it is I can close this down, and if I just want the air to circulate inside the trailer, I can. And which is nice, and it's cool already in here because of this thing is just so awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up again. Let it go that. But let's turn this thing full blast and see how loud it really gets. And again, if you turn it up really high, then of course it's going to get loud. But there we go. That's max. That's 10 speeds right there. It's not bad. I don't think it's annoying. You know, I mean, but it works. And but I don't have it on high all the time. I just kind of probably about right there, and just have the air come in. Also, just reverse it. So what happens when you reverse it? Check this out. It stops, and then it will restart again. There we go. So now what it's doing is sucking all the air from inside the trailer out. So it's all the air is going out of the trailer. So if you have, you know, I mean, if your trailer is hot or RV is really hot, what I recommend is turning that on, suck it out. We have open up a window, get the airflow going, and then hit this button again, and then it just then now the cold air will come in. So like I said, it's a standard RV. I had to do some modifications to it. I had to trim this down to fit the my shower here because it was just too big. So I had to trim it down a little bit. I also had to cut the piece that goes up in the hole. I had to trim that down. I think it was like what, 3 inches. So because it's flush. So I had the framing on it. I had to cut that down at least about 3 inches, half the size of that. But other than that, it works great. It's good. It's secured. But yeah. Anyway, so I mean, I love it, man. It's a great fan. So that's my review on it. I'll put the link on down below. If you guys have questions or anything like that, please comment, subscribe if you can. That'd be awesome. We do a lot of different things here with Crossroads. Just get a little bit of history of what we do here, because a lot of people are like, well, what do you guys do? We teach financial literacy and education. We also do help out the community with the homeless people. So we're actually nationwide. And we have a website, crossroadsopportunity.org. That's our website. That's our nonprofit. So if you'd like to make a donation, that'd be great. But what we do is we help kids out with different types of bullying. And it's amazing. We started this back in 2012. So just kind of going around promoting, strengthening awareness. And that's basically what we do. We teach kids, parents, and teachers about different types of bullying, depression, suicide, and stuff like that. So, yeah. So, anyways, that's what we do, and we also teach financial education. So I'm officially licensed in California, Texas, Arizona, Florida, and Washington State. And so basically we do a lot of online education. We have books and stuff like that. So kind of show you about debt management. And let me tell you something. When I moved into my trailer here, and it's almost complete, it's like 95% complete, but I'm living in it full time. I have saved so much money. You just got to learn how to manage your money very well, and that's what we do. And we teach how to do it. Teach you guys how to manage your money. So, anyways, that was my completion of the review of the Maxxair fan. If you guys have questions, please comment. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. Please do, and hit the like button. And I appreciate you guys. God bless and safe travels. Thank you. Bye-bye.